name's Alex Downard, and I'm the director of Imagine 185. Back in 2019, Wabash County started on a process, gathered all of our incorporated cities and towns in the county together to go through a strategic planning process to define one common future for Wabash County. And so using that frame of reference, we had the vision of the Wabash County Fellowship Program and wanted to create a unique summer experience where we could attract college students from across the world to spend their summer in Wabash County with a Wabash County employer for a paid summer internship to improve their professional journey, develop professionally. But in that same summer, we were going to expose them to the best of Wabash County.
I came here thinking that, what could be my experience, because I didn't know the place, I didn't know the people. But after coming here, I felt very inclusive, welcoming from each and everyone.
I think Wabash, there's this tight net of a community aspect of people really know everyone.
And everyone is just so welcoming, you can talk to anyone.
You actually have a lot of things to do. There are a lot of activities, a lot of things to do.
All the events that we've been participating in, or all the events that we've been part of.
I really liked how one of the first weekends we were here, there was a 5K and a couple of our interns were running in it. And the rest of the interns decided to make signs cheering us on, and as we ran by the RV park.
I think for as small of a town it is, there's a lot to do, a lot more than you would think.
I think this is going to be something that I look back on and remember for the rest of my life, for sure.
And this program allows us a unique opportunity for college students to experiment with us and for us to experiment with them, with our employers, right? Younger people, as they're coming up through college and getting into their career, they just want to know that people want them, right? And in Wabash County, we want you. We want you to work here. We want you to live here. We want you to raise your family here.